How to use threads from Instagram. Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to be telling you all about Threads, which is basically a text-based app built by Meta to rival Twitter, and also it is called as a new separate space for real-time updates and public conversations. So in today's video I'm going to be telling you all about Threads and how it is used and whatsoever. So let's get into it. The first thing is that how are you going to install the Threads, or from where are you going to get it? The first thing you can do is simply go onto your Instagram, and after that you're going to go onto your profile section and click on the lines on the top right corner, and after that you would be able to see a thread section under the settings and privacy. You just need to tap on that, and after that this thing is going to open. Just tap on get threads, and after that this is going to take you to the Threads app. If this is not available, you can just go back and you can simply go onto the Play Store and tap in Threads and Instagram app. There it would be. From there, you can simply install it and then open it. And that's how your Threads would be open. So, after this has been opened, this is going to be appearing in front of you. Sorry, this page is going to be appearing in front of you. So, now from over here, you can select in whatever account you want to log in with the Threads. And for that, you need to tap on switch accounts. Now, from over here, you can select in whatever account you want to open Threads with. I'm going to do it with my second account over here, and you just need to tap on that. And after that this page is going to be appearing over here. It's going to ask you for your name, for your bio and link, and you can simply add a new bio or link, or you can also import it from Instagram. I'm simply going to import from Instagram. Tap on that and then tap on continue. Then it's going to ask you for a public profile, private profile. I'm going to do a public profile. Then it's going to ask you about all the followers, that people you're following on the apps of Instagram to follow over here. You're going to click on follow all, then tap on join threads, and after that it would take 2 seconds and your threads would be opening. Now over here you guys would be able to see all the posts or the feed. For example, this is the front page, so over here you guys would be able to see the posts. Basically these posts are from the people that you're following on Instagram, or also they could be suggested posts from other accounts as well. So basically this is the front page of Threads. As I told you guys, that Threads is basically an app from where you can, it's basically a text based app, but you can also share photos, videos, and other things. So from over here you can simply see all these things. If I tap over here, this is my profile page. If I tap on edit profile, from here I can edit all my things. I can make my private profile private. If I want to share my profile, I want to tap over here. Then this page would be showing my threads and the replies I'm getting on my threads. Then there is this option over here. If I tap on this globe, so over here I would be seeing the options to private my account, if somebody has mentioned me, muted things, hidden words, and all these other stuffs. If I go back and tap over here on the settings, then over here I can see all of my settings, like how to follow and invite my friends, the notification. And if I tap on account, it's going to be telling about all of the information about my account, like my personal information, my security, account status, and all that things. And I can also deactivate my account from here. So that is basically all about it. And if I want to log out, I can simply tap on log out right over here, and my account would be logged out, and I can log in into any other account. So just going back, now if I tap on these hearts, so this is my activity section, where I would be basically getting all of the notifications, like replies, mentions, um, and this. So this is the activity section. Now tapping over here on the search bar, now this is where I'm going to tell you that how you can basically interact with a thread. So over here you can type in any of the account. For example, if I tap on Instagram, so this is Instagram. So now you guys can see that over here I would be able to see all the threads from Instagram, and just consider the first one. So for example, with the heart section you can basically like it. If we tap on over here, uh, this is how you can reply to a thread, and by tapping on this one sign, you can basically repost it or quote it, and by clicking on this, you can add it on the story, post to feed. But these all features are basically just like the Instagram features, like adding to the story and all that. This is basically all like Instagram. Okay, now there is this section in the middle of it. How this In this way, I'm going to tell you how you can compose a thread. This is the part where you can compose a thread up to 500 words. This is a very good feature of thread, like you can compose a 500 thread text based. And this is the new advantage of thread, so you can just type in any of it, and after that you can also add in any of the pictures or gallery, any pictures, videos you want to add it with. And after that, once you're going to allow it, once you're going to allow the access, then you can simply post it, and then anybody would be able to reply to you on it, or all these things. Now also you can one more thing I want to tell you, that when you're composing a thread, so you can also mention someone over here, which is a quite common feature in all these apps. So this is also what you can do. And this is all about the Threads app. So that was all about Threads, and it's basically just like Instagram, but quite in a fun way. And it's like Twitter, and it's we can also say that it is a thread to a Twitter as well. But this is quite a fun app, and that was all about it. I hope this video helped you guys and you liked it. Let me know in the comment section below if this video helped you guys. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel.